I wanted to take a moment to share a little bit about my story, who I am, what drives me, and why I started cyber adjustment. This isn't just about business, it's personal. So grab a coffee. I have mine. And let's dive in. So in 2009, I got into a car accident. First, I thought, I'd recover quickly. It wasn't even that bad of a car accident, but, as the days turned into weeks, I realized something wasn't right. And I tried everything. Unfortunately, all the meds that they threw at me, it was all just kind of a mask, right? The pain meds and everything. The therapy kind of helped, but didn't help. But you name it, I tried it. I even was walking around with a cane for a while, but nothing seemed to help. So it wasn't until about 2 years later when I actually got to the Charlotte area. So this happened in New York. In the Charlotte area, I found Yeager Chiropractic, Dr. Yeager. What's up? And honestly, he's the one that helped me kind of get back to a more healthy life. Now, that also got me started on a huge journey of weight loss and better health. So I started to lose weight as well. I actually lost over 100 pounds. Fast forward to 2023, last year. We're about to hit 2025. That's crazy. So I hit a tough spot again. My health really took a turn for the worse, and I started really struggling physically. I did my best to hide it, but it was too much. I just literally felt like my entire body was inflamed. I was walking around feeling like I was 100 years old. No offense to 100-year-olds that can still run laps around me, but I didn't feel good at all. And I went to Dr. Juan Escobar, phenomenal doctor. And we, put a plan in place, and he got me back to health, or he got my body to do its job. He didn't just treat my pain, he helped me restore my overall well-being. So chiropractic care didn't just save me, it saved my family. And this is the part of my story that literally gets me in the back of the throat, so I'll do my best to get through it. Both my kids were diagnosed with scoliosis. As a parent, hearing the words surgery were terrifying. But really, thanks to the chiropractic care that we found, they avoided that path. We ended up going to Clear Scoliosis up in Huntersville, North Carolina. Dr. Justin was phenomenal, and the miracle that happened in my kids' lives through the care that he provided is literally, I have no words. My kids are thriving today. They're wearing their Scoli braces, but they're living active lives, they're living healthy lives, and they'll eventually be out of those braces, but the care saved them from having to do surgery, and that is just huge. And it was really through these experiences that I realized the profound impact chiropractic care has, and not just on individuals, but on entire families. So here's the thing. Chiropractors have this incredible ability to change lives. Or I should say, have this incredible ability to get our bodies to the place so that they can do the job, essentially so they could do what they were designed to do. And that's not an easy task. The problem is, so many people don't even know they exist. Or they know they exist, but they don't believe in chiropractic care. And I started cyber adjustment because I want to change that. I also started a podcast called Beyond Adjustments, where I interview chiropractors and talk through their story, talk through chiropractic care, etc. So I know there's a lot of companies out there making big promises, offering gimmicks to pull clients in. That's not who we are. Yes, we have a bold offer. 90 new patients in 90 days. It's a really cool offer, yes, but let me be clear. That's not our motivation. That's not my motivation. That's not why I started my company. It's not about flashy marketing or quick wins. Our promise is simply the result of the system we've built to support chiropractors in growing their practices. Point blank. The real heart behind cyber adjustment is helping chiropractors reach the people who need them most. It's about ensuring families like mine don't have to wait years to find the right care. I created cyber adjustment to bridge that gap. To bridge that gap between chiropractors and the patients they were meant to serve. Yeah, we use technology, data, proven strategies to make chiropractors, more visible online. But we do it so that families like mine find them faster without the years of frustration and searching. So look, my life's motto is using my pain for a purpose. I use that in every area of my life. And God allows us to go through struggles so we can understand and help others. Another huge part of my life was our first daughter, Emily. She passed away at 16 months. She was born with trisomy 13. That was the hardest, literally the hardest thing I walked through. But I used that pain for a purpose. It took me years to get there in that mindset, but that's what it is. So for me, the purpose is helping chiropractors grow their practices so they can change more lives. I can't be a chiropractor right now. I can't go back to school. I've already done that. But I can use my skill to grow a practice to make a wider impact on that community so people can see transformation in their life, so they can live healthier lives. That's why I do what I do. Every patient who walks into a chiropractic office, every patient that sees a chiropractor like you is someone looking for hope. Honestly, for every clinic we help grow, that's dozens, if not hundreds of families finding the care they need. If you're a chiropractor, or if you've ever felt the impact of chiropractic care, I hope my story resonates with you. This isn't just about numbers or marketing. It's about lives. It's about families like mine finding answers, finding hope, finding healing. I started cyber adjustment because I believe in what you do. I believe in the power of your hands to change lives and the power of your heart to care for people who need you. My goal is simple. My goal is to help you reach those people faster so they don't have to wait as long as I did. Thank you. Thank you for what you do. And really thank you for taking the time to listen. It means more than you know. And whether we ever work together or not, I want you to know that your work matters. Keep going, keep pushing, keep making those adjustments one patient at a time. The world really needs you.